Hi friends, today's topic of biology is on fruit. Fruit. Now the question is, what is fruit? Fruit is a ripened ovary, and ovary, as you know, that's the female reproductive part of the flower. Like this. This is the ovary, and these are the ovules. This ovary, on maturation or on ripening, becomes fruit. And it also becomes the fruit's outer covering, that is called pericarp. As you see in this apple, this outer covering is pericarp. And these ovules, on fertilization with pollen, they become seed. So this is fruit, ripened ovary, and these are seed. Now fruit is of two types, true fruit and false fruit. Now what are these two? Number one is true fruit. True fruit like tomato, custard apple, and any other type of vegetable. These are true fruit which forms from ovary, true ovary. When true ovary become fruit, it is called true fruit. And when any other part of the flower is involved in the formation of fruit like perianth, calyx or corolla, or sometimes swollen thalamus or calyx, corolla, these are involved in the formation of fruit, that is called false fruit. Or it is also called pseudocarpic fruit, like in apple. In this apple, there is pseudocarpic. It is pseudocarpic fruit because some part of the thalamus is also involved in the formation of fruit. This is thalamus. Its example is apple. Its example is tomato. Now there are another category of fruit that is called parthenocarpic fruit, in which ovary directly develop into fruit without fertilization, as in banana. That is called parthenocarpic fruit. Parthenocarpic fruit. This is the third type of fruits in which ovary directly develop into fruit without fertilization with pollen. Now we come to the other three types of fruits. These are the two types, true fruit, false fruit, and third one is parthenocarpic fruit. Now we come to the three main types of fruit, simple fruit, aggregate, and multiple. Now number one is simple fruit. Simple fruit develop from monocarpellary condition, means only one carpel, one ovary. Monocarpellary. Like all nuts, cashew nut, or chestnut, cashew nut, chestnut, all nuts. They are from monocarpellary, means only one carpel. One carpel. Then second type of fruits are aggregate fruit. Aggregate fruits, they develop from bi or polycarpellary condition, means one or more ovaries are there. One or more ovaries, means bi or multi carpellary, multi or polycarpellary condition. In this, rose or strawberry aggregate fruits. Strawberry, like this, strawberry, or rose also, or strawberry. These are the aggregate fruits. And third category is of multiple fruits. They produce from multiple fruits. Multiple fruits. Multiple fruits, they develop from the inflorescence. Inflorescence means group of flowers. Means the whole branch with flowers, group of flower is called inflorescence. So they produce from the inflorescence. Means from many ovaries of the several flowers. From many ovaries of several flowers. The whole inflorescence, they develop from inflorescence. In its example is mulberry, shehtoot, mulberry, or pineapple, mulberry or pineapple. Mulberry or pineapple, as in, you know, mulberry may like this, there's whole inflorescence. Like this, inflorescence. Or sometime, and pineapple also, the whole inflorescence means many ovaries of several flowers are involved in making fruit. Now the structure of fruit. All three coverings we will discuss about the structure of fruit. Now we will discuss the structure of fruit. Structure of fruit, there are three layers in a fruit. Outer pericarp, middle fleshy one, like in mango, that fleshy or the juicy part, that is called mesocarp, and inner stony or hard, and which is seed of mango, which is stony and hard part, and that is called endocarp. So there are two types of fruit, dry fruit and fleshy fruits. Dry fruit, in which All the three layers are not differentiated in epi, pericarp, mesocarp, and endocarp. That is dry fruit. They are not differentiated like coriander, pea, and there is a fruit. There is wall. There is outer cell wall is present. Fruit wall. There is cell wall. There is outer wall that is hard, very hard, like in cashew nut, and no differentiation. No differentiation in pericarp, mesocarp, and endocarp. But there are other fleshy fruits. These are dry fruits and fleshy fruits in which all the three layers are clearly differentiated into pericarp, mesocarp, and endocarp. Like in tomato, we can clearly see this is outer pericarp and this fleshy mesocarp and this inner part that is endocarp. This fleshy portion is edible and this outer covering is little bit hard, and inside this portion like in mango that is stony or hard portion that is endocarp. Now we will discuss separately fleshy fruits and dry fruits. Fleshy fruits. Fleshy fruits are again in which the fruit wall is clearly differentiated into pericarp, mesocarp, and endocarp, like in mango, tomato. There are many types. Number one, drupe. Number one, drupe. Number two, berry. Berry. Number three, pome. And number four, hesperidium. Number five, Velusta. And number six, Amphimara. Amphisapa. That is bay. So these are the fleshy fruits in which all the three layers are differentiated, like in drupe, berry, pome, hesperidium, Velusta, and Amphisaka. Number one, drupe. In drupe, endocarp is hard and stony. Now, fleshy fruit in which number one is drupe. Drupe is like mango, in which the outer covering is quite thin, middle is fleshy, and inner stony endocarp. Tomato also, and this developed from mono or polycarpillary condition. Mono means single carpel or more than one carpels are there. The other is berries. Berries develop very simple berry. Simple. They also develop from superior or inferior ovary. Superior means outside the thalamus and inferior sometimes inside the thalamus. So develop from superior or inferior single ovary berry. Syncarpus. Syncarpus means sometimes fused ovaries. Stony endocarp. In this also endocarp stony. Endocarp stony. Like in Trapa singada. Trapa. Trapa. Endocarp stony, simple, single ovary, sometimes synchronous, syncarpus. And third is pome. Pome again inferior ovary, means inside the thalamus, inferior ovary, syncarpus, thalamus become fleshy. In this thalamus become fleshy. Thalamus, as you know, thalamus in apple. This thalamus become fleshy and this develop into like in apple. That is pome. Pseudocarp. They are false fruit in which thalamus become fleshy. It's also called pseudocarp. Pome. Inferior ovary and syncarpus, and this thalamus becomes swollen as in apple. This is pseudocarp. Hesperidium. Hesperidium as in orange. Orange, that is fleshy. And Belusta in pomegranate. Edible portion is seed. In this edible portion are fibers and amphisacar as in bale. Outer covering is very hard, pericarp is very hard, and mesocarp is fleshy, and but endocarp again stony. That's in bale. So these are the different types of fleshy fruits. Now come to the dry fruit. Dry fruit. Dry fruit are again of 4-5 types according to the dehiscence, how they split open. Like this is dry fruit, pea, legume, how they open, how they split open, that is called dehiscence. They are all based on the basis of dehiscence. Dehisce. How they dehisce. Number 1 is legume. Number 2, follicle. Siliqua, silicula, and 5th is capsule. Number 1 is legume, again monocarpillary condition as in pea, they are legume. The dehisce like this, split open in two, and inside the seeds are all arranged along the margin. This legume developed from again monocarpillary condition.
These open into like this, and there are seeds arranged along the margin. They are legume. And second is follicle. Follicle again monocarpellary condition that adheres through one rupture only. One rupture like in Calotropis. Again monocarpellary. They adheres by one rupture. That is in Calotropis. Calotropis, as in Calotropis. Follicle, they are monocarpellary condition that is only by one rupture. And third is siliqua. Siliqua develop from bicarpellary condition. This develop from bicarpellary condition. Bicarpellary syncarpus superior ovary. Superior. This also split in two valves, but the ovules or the seeds they are arranged along the false septum. This is the difference between this legume and siliqua. In this, they also split open in two, like this, but seeds remain attached to the false septum. This is false septum, or also called rupture, rupellum. This is also called rupellum. This is also called rupellum. This is the false septum through which the seeds are attached. So bicarpellary syncarpus superiorly, but legume is monocarpellary simple. Then next is silicula. Now the silicula is again like siliqua. Silicula is like siliqua but very short and flattened. The only difference, this is long, this is short and flattened. But only thing short and flattened. It's again same bicarpellary, syncarpus superior but short and flattened. This example is candy tuft. Candy tuft. And siliqua in brassica. Siliqua in brassica. And last is capsule, like in cotton ball. That's like a capsule. Fifth is capsule. Capsule, as in cotton ball, it's like a capsule. It is from syncarpus pistil, superior or inferior ovary. Syncarpus condition. Syncarpus means fused ovary. Syncarpus. Apocarpus means they are free. Syncarpus, syn means fused only, inferior or superior. Inferior or superior. One or more chambered. One or more chambered. Oh. It's like a ball. Or sometime in poppy. Poppy or cotton. So these two are capsular in nature, like capsule. Poppy seeds are here, poppy, and cotton ball. Cotton is enclosed in a ball, so this is capsular type. These are the two types of fleshy and dry fruits. These are dry fruits. This depend upon the dehiscence, how they open after maturation, how this split open, how the fruit split open after maturity. So they all depends on that. So this is all about the fruit today.